Hello, I am Jessica, also known as Waffle.
And I am Eliza, and I am also known as Mango, and I'm shopping, so I'm sorry the camera keeps moving.
Yeah, so we're at a Macy's, but we're not going to tell you where.
It's personal.
And so today we are going to look at pants.
Actually, no, we're not going to talk to you about pants. We're going to talk to you about the awesome new Jonas Brothers album with a $1 bill sticking out of it. She doesn't like the Jonas Brothers.
Or
I
Miley
think
Cyrus
that's a
or
sin.
Selena Gomez or any of them.
Okay, so you probably have been wondering if the 7 Things song was about Nick Jonas, and no, it's not, because
what I want to wear.
you know how they go like 7 things. Stop being optimistic. And so they go, the 7 things I like about you: your hair, your eyes, your old Levi's. When we kiss, okay, Miley, Nick would probably swallow like a tub of sugar before he even, before he would even like, you know, hug you, because like, you're a slut. Okay? So, oh, and you lost Nick to Selena, who's like much prettier and a much better role model than you. And it's really hot down here.
That's because it's down. Actually, isn't it when you're down you're supposed to be like colder or something? Yeah. Okay, well I'm going to talk about
to you.
how I don't...
I'm really good at dissing her.
We're supposed to be best friends, but I don't understand her. So I'm going to talk about how I don't like the Jonas Brothers or any of those Disney stars. I don't care for them. It's not that I don't like them, I don't care for them. But Eliza really has something...
Please don't beat her up.
Yeah. But I don't really have anything against Miley Cyrus because I don't know her, but Eliza hates her. Isn't that right, Eliza?
I hate you for not liking the Jonas Brothers.
I was talking about Miley Cyrus, but okay.
Oh, yeah, I hate her too.
So what are we looking at today?
We can't film them because they're...
Oh, we can't. I know. Oh, look at this vest. It's like tweed. Selena Gomez. Give a hoot, don't pollute.
That is bomb.
.com.
I will never say that again.
Bomb.com. What's that?
So yeah, we would like to thank... Hold on. I have to go find their names. Or their usernames.
We have multiple people?
No, there's 2, yes.
I didn't even make this account. You did. So
Yes,
I
I
wouldn't
did.
know.
Okay, so we wanted to mention Laura Birkin 123 and Nick Jonas Freak 1123 because like they subscribe to us, and before you check out their profile, comment, rate, and subscribe to us, and send this to all your friends and tell them to do the same.
Because if you like or don't like the Jonas Brothers, you can watch this because you get 2 sides. Yeah.
So if you like the Jonas Brothers and hate Miley Cyrus and love Selena Gomez, this show is totally for you. Bye.